Alright, so in that second gear, I'm second gear wheelies. I gotta get used to the speed of that. You feel me? I keep telling myself the brake is there. So I'm still babying it, not pulling it back that far right now, because it's a new gear, man. The bike is rolling way faster than I'm used to, so I've been just practicing first gear wheelies the whole time, and the bike got a lot more engine braking in that first gear. So it feels completely different. You feel me? Gotta give it a whole different throttle sensitivity and all that, but I'm gonna keep practicing, ready to go back in. Alright, so y'all seen on my second gear work. Right now I'm gonna just go back to first and see how I'm doing in that real quick and show y'all my progression in first gear. So we'll just do this for now, but alright. Them second gear wheelies got my arms so tired. I'm saying I'm gonna keep practicing, but it's just a whole new feeling for what I gotta get used to, and I got a lot of work to do. But hey, we still trying to progress, we still trying to practice. So yeah. I need a whole back wheel assembly. Sprockets all fucked up. Alright, I'm gonna end the video right there because my whole back tire is messed up, but I gotta order a new back tire. I'm missing like half of my spokes, but I still made the video because I don't know why. But I'm missing like half of these broke already off. I gotta get a new tire and everything. So I'm gonna end the video right there. Make sure y'all leave some comments, let me know how I'm doing. This video was all over the place. It was just like, I was just trying to show progression, but it's all over the place, I know. But hey, we're gonna get back to regular scheduled programming real soon. I gotta order a new tire. Hopefully I get the bigger wheels on this bike. I'm trying to go to a 19 in the front, a 16 in the rear. Hopefully I get that, but if not, I'm just gonna get a new tire and a new rim. And yeah, stay tuned because we're gonna be dropping videos like every other day, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bip, 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 bip.